Hi dear, welcome back to Timeless Wisdom. Have you ever imagined a home that's always clean and organised, without having to use expensive chemicals or spend hours on deep cleaning? Vietnamese women have discovered and passed down cleaning secrets for generations, relying only on natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. These simple, affordable and eco-friendly techniques help them keep their homes spotless every day. If you're tired of wasting money on cleaning products that make big promises but don't last, this approach will completely change how you look after your home. Today, you'll discover 8 traditional habits that make a real difference, saving you both time and money while keeping your family safe from harsh chemicals. These tips are more than just cleaning tricks, they're part of a lifestyle that values simplicity and effectiveness. When you don't know about these natural solutions, it's easy to fall back on costly industrial products and spend countless hours on chores that could be much simpler. But by adopting these tried and true methods, you can create a healthy, welcoming and fresh environment without extra effort or expense. And the final habit I'm going to share is so effective, it can replace at least 5 different products in your cleaning cabinet. Get ready to see how these smart techniques can help you keep your home naturally clean and inviting, just like generations of women before us. Tip 1. White vinegar as a universal cleaner. The first habit that revolutionized cleaning is using white vinegar as a base for practically everything. While many people buy dozens of specific products for each surface, these women discovered that vinegar alone solves most of the cleaning problems in the house. Vinegar is a powerful natural degreaser, removes limescale stains, eliminates odours, and even has antibacterial properties. Unlike industrial products that can be toxic and leave chemical residues, vinegar is completely safe for the whole family, including children and pets. In practice, you can use a simple solution of 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water in a spray bottle. This mixture works perfectly for cleaning windows, mirrors, kitchen countertops, bathrooms, and even floors. For very greasy surfaces, such as the stove, use pure vinegar. Let it sit for a few minutes and then wipe it off with a damp cloth. A real-life example. Imagine you've just finished cooking and your stovetop is covered in grease splatters. Instead of using a commercial degreaser, spray pure vinegar on the surface, wait 5 minutes, and then wipe it off with a cloth. The grease comes off easily, effortlessly, and without chemicals. The same goes for your kitchen sink, which will shine after cleaning with vinegar. The benefits are immense. You save money by not buying multiple products, protect your family from harsh chemicals, reduce environmental impact, and still get superior results. Plus, vinegar is easy to find, inexpensive, and has a long shelf life, making your cleaning routine much more practical and economical. Tip 2. Baking soda to absorb odours and stains. The second essential habit is to use baking soda as a natural odour absorber and stain remover. This simple ingredient, which you probably have in your kitchen, is one of the best kept secrets to keeping your home fresh and clean. Baking soda works by neutralising acids that cause bad odours, while also acting as a mild abrasive to remove tough stains. Unlike artificial air fresheners that simply mask odours, baking soda eliminates odours at their source, leaving the environment naturally fresh. To use it in practice, sprinkle baking soda on carpets and rugs, let it sit for an hour, and then vacuum it up. For stains on fabrics, make a paste with baking soda and a little water. Apply it to the stain, let it dry completely, and then brush or vacuum it up. Place an open container of baking soda in the refrigerator to absorb unwanted odours. A practical example. If your fabric sofa has that characteristic smell of yeast or a drink stain, sprinkle baking soda generously over the entire surface before going to bed. The next day, vacuum everything and notice how fresh and renewed the fabric is. The same method works perfectly for mattresses, eliminating dust mites and accumulated odours. The direct benefits include substantial savings on specific products for each type of odour or stain, a healthier environment for your family, especially for those with allergies or respiratory problems, and the convenience of having a multifunctional product always on hand. In addition, baking soda is completely non-toxic, so you can use it without any worries in any room in the house. Tip 3. Lemon for natural disinfection. The third powerful habit is to use lemon as a natural disinfectant and whitener. This common citrus fruit has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, as well as being an excellent stain remover and a powerful odour eliminator. The citric acid in lemons breaks down grease, removes rust and limescale stains, whitens yellowed surfaces, and leaves a fresh, natural scent. Unlike chemical disinfectants that can be harsh on the skin and toxic if inhaled, lemons provide a completely safe, deep clean. For practical use, cut a lemon in half and apply it directly to surfaces such as cutting boards, countertops, and sinks. To enhance the effect, sprinkle coarse salt over the lemon before rubbing. For sweat stains on white clothes, rub lemon juice on the stained area before washing as normal. Let's look at a real-life example. Your wooden cutting board has dark stains and a strong smell of food. Cut a lemon in half, sprinkle coarse salt over the surface of the board, and rub vigorously with the lemon. Leave it to act for 10 minutes, and then rinse with water. The board will be clear, odour-free, and completely sanitized. The benefits are extraordinary. You have a natural disinfectant that doesn't harm your skin or contaminate food. You save money on specific products for each type of cleaning. You get immediate visible results, and you also use an ingredient that would normally be discarded. Lemon also leaves a pleasant natural scent, eliminating the need for artificial air fresheners. Before continuing, if you are enjoying these natural and economical tips, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any cleaning secrets that can transform your routine. Also, leave a comment telling me where you are watching from. I love knowing that these tips are reaching different places. Now let's move on to the next tip, which is one of my favourites. Tip 4. Coarse salt as a natural abrasive. The fourth revolutionary habit is to use coarse salt as a natural abrasive for heavy-duty cleaning. This kitchen staple becomes a powerful tool for removing embedded dirt, burnt-on grease, and tough stains without scratching delicate surfaces. Coarse salt acts as a natural exfoliant that removes dirt through mechanical friction while absorbing grease and liquids. Unlike chemical abrasives that can damage surfaces or leave toxic residues, salt is completely safe and biodegradable, dissolving completely in water. To use it correctly, sprinkle coarse salt over the dirty surface. Add a few drops of mild detergent or lemon juice, and scrub with a sponge or cloth. For pans with burnt grease, pour warm coarse salt into the pan. Add a little water and let it soak for a few minutes before scrubbing. A striking practical example. Your cast iron pan has burnt-on grease that seems impossible to remove. While it's still hot, add 3 tablespoons of coarse salt, a few drops of dish soap, and a little hot water. Scrub with a sponge and see how the grease comes off easily without damaging the material of the pan. The same method works for frying pans, cake tins, and baking trays. The benefits are remarkable. You remove dirt that commercial products cannot eliminate, protect your pans and utensils from scratches caused by chemical abrasives, save on specific products for heavy cleaning, and still have a method that works immediately. In addition, salt is cheap, is always available in the kitchen, and does not produce toxic fumes during use. Tip 5. Hot water and steam for deep disinfection. The fifth fundamental practice is to use hot water and steam as the primary method of disinfection and deep cleaning. This ancient technique harnesses the natural power of heat to eliminate germs, soften dirt, and sanitize surfaces without the use of chemicals. Hot water vapor has exceptional properties. It kills bacteria, viruses and fungi, naturally dissolves grease and embedded dirt, and penetrates small cracks that other methods cannot reach. Unlike chemical disinfectants that can leave harmful residues, steam evaporates completely, leaving only cleanliness and hygiene. In practice, you can use a kettle or pan with boiling water to create targeted steam to clean tiles and grout. Direct the steam for a few seconds and then wipe with a cloth. To disinfect surfaces, wipe with a cloth soaked in very hot water, changing the water frequently to maintain a high temperature. Real-life example: your bathroom has mold in the grout that is resistant to all products. Boil water in a kettle, direct the steam directly onto the moldy grout for a few seconds, and then scrub with an old brush. The mold comes off easily, the grout becomes clear again, and you completely eliminate the fungus without using toxic products. The benefits are impressive. You get superior disinfection compared to many chemical products. You save significantly on commercial disinfectants. You protect your family from toxic fumes. You can clean hard-to-reach places, and you have a method that works instantly. Hot water is also completely environmentally friendly and is always available in your home. Tip 6. Natural oil to nourish and protect surfaces. The sixth smart habit is to use natural oils to nourish and protect surfaces made of wood, leather, and other natural materials. This ancient method not only cleans but also preserves and extends the life of your furniture and objects, replacing expensive and chemical products. Natural oils, such as olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil, penetrate the fibers of the materials, moisturizing them and creating a natural protective layer. Unlike industrial products that may contain aggressive solvents, natural oils nourish without damaging, restoring the original shine and flexibility of the materials. To apply it correctly, use a clean, dry cloth. Apply a small amount of oil and spread it evenly in circular motions. For wood, use movements following the direction of the grain. Let the oil absorb for a few minutes and then remove the excess with a clean, dry cloth. A practical example: your wooden table is dry, dull, and has small surface scratches. Apply a few drops of olive oil to a soft cloth. Spread evenly over the entire surface following the direction of the wood. Let it absorb for 15 minutes and then wipe it with a dry cloth. The table will be moisturized, shiny, and with the surface scratches disguised. The direct benefits are extraordinary. You significantly extend the life of your furniture, save on products specifically designed for each type of material, restore pieces that seemed lost, achieve professional results at home, and still use natural products that do not harm the environment. In addition, natural oils leave a soft and pleasant aroma, eliminating the need for artificial air fresheners. Tip 7. Toothpaste for specific cleaning. The seventh surprising habit is to use regular toothpaste for specific cleaning and removing tough stains. This product that you use daily has mild abrasive and whitening properties that work perfectly for many types of household cleaning. Toothpaste contains whitening agents and very fine abrasives that remove stains without damaging delicate surfaces. It also has antibacterial properties and leaves a long-lasting fresh scent. Unlike specialty products that are expensive and take up space, toothpaste offers multiple functions with an item you already have at home. To use effectively, apply a small amount of regular white toothpaste to the stain or surface. Rub gently with an old toothbrush or soft cloth. Let sit for a few minutes, then wipe away with a damp cloth. For pen stains, apply, rub, and rinse immediately. A striking example: your white leather sneakers are yellowed and stained, looking old and dirty. Apply white toothpaste to the entire surface, scrub with an old toothbrush, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then wipe with a damp cloth. Your sneakers will be white again, as if they were new, and they will smell fresh. The benefits are remarkable. You remove stains that specialized products can't remove. You save on several specific products, you always have a stain remover on hand, you get fast and visible results, and you even get the most out of a product that you would normally only use for oral hygiene. Toothpaste is also safe to use on clothes and doesn't leave harmful residue. Before I move on to the next tip, I want to tell you about something special I prepared for those who want to go beyond this video. It's a complete guide with organisation secrets that completely transform my home and can transform yours too. The link is in the pinned comment, and for a limited time, I'm offering a special discount for channel subscribers. Now let's continue with the next tips, which are some of my favourites. Tip 8. Daily Prevention Routine. The 8th and final habit is the most powerful of all, establishing a daily preventive routine that prevents dirt from accumulating and keeps the house clean with minimal effort. This is the main secret that allows you to keep everything spotless using only natural methods. Daily prevention works because it prevents small problems from turning into major, time-consuming cleaning. When you take care of your home a little bit every day using the natural methods you've learned, you'll never have to do those exhaustive weekend cleanings. Dirt doesn't have time to build up and harden. In practice, this means dedicating just 15 minutes a day to small tasks, spraying vinegar in the sink after using it, wiping kitchen surfaces with a cloth soaked in hot water after cooking, airing out the rooms to avoid humidity, and organising objects in the right place as soon as you finish using them. Transformative example: instead of cleaning the entire bathroom on Saturday, you spray vinegar in the shower after every shower, wipe the sink with hot water after brushing your teeth, and ventilate the room to prevent mould. The result: your bathroom is always clean, fresh, and you never have to do that heavy, tiring cleaning again. The benefits are revolutionary. You will never have to do heavy and time-consuming cleaning again. Your home will always be ready for guests. You will drastically reduce the use of chemicals. You will save a significant amount of time and money, and you will also live in a clean and healthy environment. In addition, daily prevention becomes an automatic habit that does not require conscious effort. Now you have discovered the 8 ancient customs that keep your home clean using only natural ingredients. These methods are not just about cleaning. They are about a simpler, more economical, and healthier philosophy of life for you and your family. Remember, the secret is not an inexpensive product or complicated techniques. It is in the consistency of small daily habits and the intelligent use of natural ingredients that you already have at home. Final thoughts. Every method I've shared here is rooted in generations of practical wisdom, tested over time and proven to work even better than many modern industrial cleaning products. Try adding just one of these techniques to your weekly routine, and soon they'll become second nature. You'll be surprised by the results, and chances are you'll never want to go back to expensive, chemical-based cleaners again. If today's video helped change the way you think about home cleaning, please support our channel by subscribing to Timeless Wisdom and turning on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on more natural and effective tips that can transform your daily life. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which tip are you most excited to try first, and how did it work for you? And out of these 8 habits, which one surprised you the most and why? Let's keep sharing ideas and making our homes healthier, simpler, and happier together. Thanks for watching Timeless Wisdom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next one.